I have your present. But this actually smells like a rose.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Look how pretty. Thanks, honey.
Welcome.
And it's purple.
I thought the card was really cute.
Aww, it's adorable. I love it. It's adorable. Where was this picture tape? What the heck? Wow, that is so crazy. You look like my cousin Laura or something. I don't know why. It looks so funny, doesn't it? And you did it so seamlessly.
Sarah did it.
Like you can't even tell.
The real picture's behind that one.
That's so funny. I mean, you can't even like really tell that it's, wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, your hair's all cut off.
It is in the other one too.
Is it? That's crazy.
You said, where was this taken at? What?